composition of afflictive emotions and karmas. Yeah? Karmas, I'm sure by now you all know there are different types of karmas, yeah? Good karmas, bad karmas, neutral karmas, yes? And then afflictive emotions, well, it's just basically a very unstable state of the mind. So these three, it's when they're mixed, then it brings all kinds of shapes and objects and colors and so on. Yeah. So our right now physical body is that of actually the compositions of those two, mainly right now. Yes. And but yet it has that wondrous tinge of merit, of the bodhicitta, one could say. Yes. And due to that, we as a few, yeah, within this whole of samsara, within this whole planet, globe, yes, the few that we have right here, all of us, due to that very bodhicitta, due to that very awareness and accumulation of merit, and that brought us this coming up together, and also the realization of being able to reflect on things and understand. But otherwise, this physical form that we have personally, yes, as well as the one that we can experience everything, yeah, the outside, the outer form, let's say, the rest of the outer form. The main outer form would be this very tangible body, and the rest would be, like for example, this temple, or this very floor, or this very table, all of it, or the whole world, yeah? So, just like that, then outer, inner, and secret, well, the list goes on forever, but then in a more practical or more direct way of understanding is that, yes, then all of these are compositions of forms, matters, energies, protons, neutrons, what else? Atoms, quark, yes. The smallest thing that we have found so far, yeah? Who knows, maybe after a few months or after a few years we will find even things that are much smaller than that, yeah. Already, in terms of big ones, we are already going about it quite nicely, yeah? We are finding super giant Earths and super planets and supernovas and whatever. Yeah, we are discovering it every day. So this tells us that there is really, in a way, no limit, yeah? No limit to the idea of big and small, or long or short. All of this is really nothing but an idea. If it was an idea, if it was more than an idea, if it was a reality, then probably after the discovery of atom, we wouldn't have found anything smaller than that. But we do. And we found the quark. How does it go? Quark, okay. Yeah. So quark. Yeah, outside people must be listening to us like, what are they doing? It is supposed to be a temple. Yeah. So, yes, so really there is no really a limit to actually any of our ideas, any experience of this mind. And therefore it brings the second, that the third one, yeah, all phenomena being completely free of self, and for that answer of ideas, for those answer of those ideas, it is the third one, that all phenomena are free of self. This idea of a size of any object, let's say, or of any circumstance, or of any phenomena, we call that either, I don't know, big, let's say, yeah. And this idea of big is, how to say, when we call it big, and when we have this idea of that it's big, and then we think that it is big, then we are just more and more encouraging this mind to somehow to not reinstate, but let's say to enforce that there is a self, yes, over and over again. And so the more we do it, the more it seems like this is the reality, and there's nothing beyond it. So that's why what we have to do is just really analyze it. We don't have to destroy it or anything. We don't have to what do you call it? Damn it. We don't have to. But we just all we have to do is just see for itself, yeah, these compounded things, compounded phenomena, yes. And so in Tibetan, the compounded, I think, is known as written as Nduje, I think, yes, Nduje, Nduje Thamje Metapa. So Nduje, for that probably compounded is a very good interpretation, yeah, meaning like elements of the phenomena, being, through its cause and conditions having formed together, yeah. That itself is a change, yeah. To form is a change, and then of course to deform or to dissolve is also a change. So from the very beginning, when there is already a form, it's understood, it's given without even saying it, that it is already a change. That's what we don't. That's something that it's quite hard for us to digest.